How to download and install Prometheus on Windows. What is Prometheus? Prometheus is an open source monitoring tool that collects and stores metrics from systems, applications, and services. Let's see how to download and install Prometheus on Windows. First of all, go to Prometheus website. Prometheus download for Windows. Then go to the download page. And here you can select Windows. All Windows version is there. We can use LTS, long term release. So just click here. It's downloading. Download done. Then it's a zip file. We can extract it, but we can just copy and keep it on our C drive or your required location. We are creating a folder here. Prometheus. Just keep it here and paste it here. Then extract it. You can copy and paste it here, and then you can delete or keep it, no problem. Now you can see there is a YML file. You can open it by editor and the static config is localhost 9090, right? You can open the server in this port, default localhost. Okay, and you should run the exe. You can simply copy the Prometheus and type cmd exe center. Yes, no problem, allow. Now if you go to the browser, then http on localhost server port number is 9090. Press enter. Now you can easily monitor, right, the Prometheus installed successfully. Thank you for watching.